Did you get a baby bird?
No! Is that a largemouth bass? Is that a largemouth bass? I caught a bass. I don't know what I caught. You gotta hold it and then add it on the video, okay?
It's already on video. Get your hand in there, his shop. Right there, but it's okay. Hold, get hand on the belly. There you go.
Nah!
That's the first one. Get in the picture. What a picture. All right, we're gonna let him go real.
Never trust anyone who doesn't own a fishing pole. Oh my goodness! I caught a fish, guys.
Where to go?
That's a
Is cast number 3?
It's a big one. He caught the fish!
I think you might have.
I caught a fish, guys! I caught a fish!
Arthur, back up.
Pop, lip it.
It's a crab! Look! Ew! Oh my goodness! It's so to catch him! Look at that! Can I hold it? Not for today. Go back! He actually has it. This pond has 1,000 bluegill. They count it. This is a solid, nice bluegill. Solid, nice. I'll give you a solid 10 out of 10. Let's go. Release this guy.
I just find a fish here.
Oh, he had one. Anyone want one?
The carp.
Oh, I almost snipped it, but he's biting my finger.
Yep.
Oh, I caught a fish. It's a bluegill. Nice. Okay, calm down. Calm down. You're my second fish of the day because the first of the day was a bass. Open your mouth. Hey, dude. Open your mouth. Wow, it's a bluegill. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dee dee. Let's release him. Bye bye, fishy. Have a good winter. Oh! Wait a second. I want to show you the colors in the sun. Okay, do you see them? Looks cool, right? Let's release him. Go back. Yeah! Let's go! I don't care.
Yeah, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Look at that. Hold on. It's a catfish.
It's literally a catfish! Hey, your
Careful of
wish
those
came
barbs.
true. We got a
I'm
fish.
guessing he knows what to do. The catfish can be tough to remove, but you got it. There you go.
Ow!
Did it get you?
Hey,
Careful
hey,
with that
hey.
barb.
I caught a catfish! Make sure it doesn't bite you.
Well, it's
Hey, can I see your hand? Ow! You're right? Ow!
What colors can you show?
Ow! Yeah, it's spotting me. So when it goes down,
Almost in there.
tug and then we'll swap.
It's kind of dark, you know what I mean? So if it's dark,
There we go. Bye-bye. The best days are spent fishing. Here's proof. There's always time for one last cast. Let's put him back. Hold on. Bye-bye to little baby back. Wow. Look at the fish I caught. Look at him, he's swimming. Bluegill fishing is easy. Get this one.
Feed him.
Yeah.
There you go. Let's pull it.
Love you, Bluegill. Oh! That's another way to do it. Stop kicking me. Here's my one. I caught 5 fish on a one. This is his gill that he breathes through. This is his tail that he kicked me with. And this is his eye. Okay, hold him like this and then this. And then if you want to play him in nicely, watch me. bluegill. Now, this is my second. You haven't seen my first. Using corn and bread as bait is simple. I got one. But this is the best catch of. This is the biggest fish of the day. Big fish for today.
What do we have?
Blue tilapia.
From?
The Philippines.
Look at me.
And right here, it's so beautiful.
Who caught it?
Auntie Monette. And this tilapia is from that pond over there. It's a really good day to fish. Duh. This is a good sized bass. Okay, that's up. Take it out. I was so close to losing it, like the last bass in the last video, but I haven't. Zachary, let me take a picture of. It's a little bass. And doing this still. No. Fishing is what I do to clear my mind. Look at this baby striper. I am in the Philippines. Home from the Philippines, this is a baby striper.
Everybody knows when you put the bait on, you chew it up before you put it on the hook. Yeah, you don't chew the flavor out, just soften it a little bit.
Look at. You want to taste?
Ew, no, please.
Try not to hit Grandma.
Come on, bring it up. Bring it up.
I'm bringing it up. Woo!
Wow.
Big bass!
Wow.
Win-win! No, he didn't use a shiny lure. Just use a lure. Soft plastic. Let's go place him back in. Nothing soothes the soul like a quiet day of fishing. Nice bluegill. Let's release him. He
There
caught
you
a
go.
bass. He caught it on a green sink. Watermelon
Watermelon. Yeah.
watermelon worm. I have them at home. Okay, let's
All right.
release him.
There you go.
Oh,
What do we got?
Ah, exactly 2.5.
oh wow, this is heavy. Try that.
Yeah.
Can I catch it? Can I hold it? Yeah, sure. What's your name?
Oh, Jack. What's your name?
Zachary.
Push him out.
Nice catch. What are you doing?